Hey future developers, are you ready to skyrocket your career with Java? Whether you are fresh out of college or leveling up your skills, I have got you covered. In today's video, I am going to share not just classic Java projects, but also some futuristic Java projects that will impress employers and show them you are ready for tomorrow's tech landscape. Let's dive in. First, let's start with the basics. Your personal portfolio website using Java Spring Boot. But let's make it more future-proof by integrating AI-powered chatbots, recommendation systems, or even interactive JavaScript-driven content. By integrating AI and machine learning into your site, you can make it interactive and dynamic. Imagine a portfolio that not only shows your skills, but also uses recommendation algorithms to suggest projects or skills based on a visitor's interaction. The possibilities are endless. Let's talk about something that's truly futuristic: virtual reality apps. Imagine building a VR experience where users can explore environments or interact with objects, all using Java and libraries like JMonkey Engine and JavaFX for immersive VR or AR worlds. Not only will you learn VR development, but you will also gain expertise in 3D graphics, user input handling, and immersive UI UX design. Skills that are going to be in high demand as VR and AR technology grow. How about we make voting more secure and transparent? A blockchain based voting system using Java and blockchain libraries like Web3J. This project can revolutionize how people think about secure and decentralized systems. With blockchains, immutability, and security, you will gain a solid understanding of distributed systems and cryptographic principles. Employers will love this project because blockchain is the future of secure transactions, whether in finance, healthcare, or even voting systems. Next up, let's dive into artificial intelligence with a smart AI-powered chatbot using natural language processing (NLP) libraries like Stanford NLP or OpenNLP. By building an intelligent chatbot, you'll get hands-on experience with machine learning algorithms, NLP techniques, and data processing. Plus, you'll be able to showcase how you can create conversational AI, which is an absolute game changer in industries like customer service, healthcare, and e-commerce. Ready to code like the pros? How about building a real-time collaborative code editor? Think Google Docs, but for developers using Java and WebSockets, you can create a platform where multiple users can write and edit code together in real time. This project will teach you how to implement real-time communication and handle synchronization between clients. You'll also work with WebSocket technology to ensure smooth interaction, a must-have for any future developer looking to create collaborative tools. How about combining cloud tech with personal productivity? Let's build a cloud-based personal assistant using Java and services like AWS or Google Cloud. Not only will you work with cloud infrastructure, but you will also build an intelligent assistant that can handle tasks like setting reminders, managing emails, and integrating with IoT devices. This is the kind of tech that's driving the future of smart homes, enterprise automation, and personal productivity. Alright, let's get into the cutting edge world of predictive analytics. How about creating a predictive analytics tool using Java and machine learning libraries like Weka or Deep Learning 4J? This project will give you hands-on experience with data analysis, predictive modeling, and machine learning by using historical data to make predictions. Whether for stock prices, user behavior, or anything else, you will demonstrate your ability to use data-driven insights, a skill that is high demand in today's job market. Now, if you really want to go futuristic, why not create a self-driving car simulation using Java and AI algorithms like pathfinding and reinforcement learning? This project combines machine learning, AI, and simulation, and it's going to give you an edge in fields like autonomous vehicles and robotics. Plus, it's a showstopper project to add to your portfolio. So whether you want to jump into AI, blockchain, cloud computing, or even self-driving cars, these future-focused Java projects are perfect for you. These projects will not only enhance your technical skills, but will show future employers that you are ready to tackle tomorrow's tech challenges today. Remember, the key is to keep building and documenting your projects on GitHub and your portfolio. Show the world you can create the next big thing. That's it for today's video. If these ideas got your brain buzzing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Java tips, projects and career advice. Got any cool Java project ideas you're working on? Drop them in the comment below. Let's chat. See you next time.